Say hello, Marty.
Hello.
Say hello, Marc.
Hello. What are you on, Mark?
What are you riding there? Hello, Scott.
It rides a lot different, a hell of a lot different. Just saying to Marty, it's got a whole different way of looking at gears and stuff. I don't recognise it.
Ah, okay. So your previous bike doesn't have all the little quick trigger thing.
These fittings here. I'm just looking at it going. That's just my bet.
Yep. Yep.
Okay.
Bike there for you.
A lot quicker.
Loving it.
Yeah. Coming off the jump without feeling like I'm going to hit the deck at the same time.
Alright. Let's do this. Jelly beans at the top. Go on, take it. Yeah! Yes! Nicely done.
Did you see me in the lead up to that?
No.
Good, because I almost hit the tree.